What do you think of our house, Dad?
It's tiny.
Well, if you had a cat, you could have seen
Dad needs to check upstairs.
It's a tiny.
All right, come and have a look upstairs,
They're
Mum.
becoming very popular.
Yes, they
It's
are.
upstairs, Dad.
Buhay Pilipinas, andito ang mga magulang ko. They're having a look at our house. That's the staircase, Mum. Your feet don't quite fit. You gotta walk sideways.
My feet fit.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
That's good.
Fit a bed in here.
Yep, you can just fit a bed in there.
Double. It's a queen
It
or a
just
double?
fits. It's a queen? No, double. Queen. I think it's a queen. Yeah, it's queen.
Mom, look,
Oh,
it's the
Yep, that was Uncle Yano.
Was it?
Yeah, he kicked it accidentally.
You have a beautiful
That's what
view.
he says.
Yeah, it's a good view of the mountains, eh?
Yeah.
The window. Hey, buddy.
Nice view.
No, it's a pussy.
It's a 40.
I don't think you would get Grandma up here.
Nah, probably not.
She wouldn't be able to go back down.
Man, that's steep as stairs.
Yeah. So what do you reckon, Mum? Could you live in this house?
I could live in this house, yes.
Could ya?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, she
oh,
says
no,
that
no,
just
no.
saying, hey,
It has to have aircon.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get me.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So let's go to the
Oh,
house.
hold on.
About
I
the
haven't
same
seen your
size.
bathroom yet.
Oh, yes, so
I haven't seen your bathroom.
Oh, you haven't seen the bathroom?
yet.
Oh, yeah,
she
okay.
can live in here with
Nah, the bathroom. Yeah.
We don't have a bathroom.
Alright, Mum, that is the bathroom. Have a look. See what you reckon.
It's steel rails and ripped off.
Hey? It is tiny, yeah.
It's super
How come you
tiny.
don't keep your window open?
Because the mosquitoes will go in. So in the morning it's fine.
There's no screen
but,
on it.
But yeah, but Dwayne might forget to close it, so I just go away.
You need to buy aircon for here. Shove it in that window.
Yeah, well, it would have been here, but it didn't fit. It was just a little bit too big. So, yeah.
How much?
Yeah, we'd have to cut it out though. Just to cut out the,
And then Dwayne just
yeah, just open like that. So, Mum and Dad have bought us some chocolates. Mulasa, Australia. Fredo and Caramello. Pati yung mga cherry ripe. Andito. Oop! Andito sa loob. Cherry ripe. Eto.
May chocolate pa.
May Cadbury. Australian made Cadbury. Na, diba?
ASMR.
ASMR dito. Thank you.
Nigel, it's a frog!
Sarap nito. Magellan o lapo-lapo na cho? Which one?
Come on. You must convert your Catholicism, I will kill you.
That's pretty much what happened.
Yeah. Oh, look at him, he's going into that hole.
So now we're going to show Mum and Dad our lupa dito sa Leyte. 1 acre of land. Alright, so this is the driveway. So we'll be cementing this. But there's coconut trees there. This like these banana trees that belongs to Thomas' uncle. This is it. So so it goes to the edge of the rice field. So this has all been filled, and then it drops off at the edge there.
This is what you paid to fill.
Yeah, yep. This is what we paid for to get filled. Yep. And it goes right over there to that. See where those chairs are and that little.
That red.
Yeah, the red pole. Yeah, that's the edge of it. The where the chairs are and stuff. That's almost the corner of the whole thing. Yeah. So it's a long rectangle block after the L shape. Got a chicken on the block. Where? There. Alright, we're taking Mum and Dad to the Pantalan. the jetty sa dagat. Medyo Carigara.
It's the one that floats.
Oh, you reckon of the pantalan, Mum? This, where we are.
Yeah, jetty.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's huge, ain't it? Nitro, what's that? What's that, Nitro? Fishing? We're making a quick stop at Shanta's dad's house, Papa's house, so Mum and Dad can catch up with him before we go to Tanawan.
We stopped in Papua New Guinea on the way over, and then from there to Manila, and then Manila to Melbourne.
You know, during Yolanda, the whole thing
The whole thing was off.
The roof.
Higher.
they had to live in a tent by the fence.
This was broken.
For a month,
On the roof. And our kitchen was also
3 months.
destroyed.
Everything.
How far away from the ocean are you?
Far away.
Far away.
Far away, and it still
Because
did
of the
that.
wind.
There was a 350 kilometers per hour storm at the Haiyan.
When you had any walls
Body
left.
stand. But the water did not reach us. Only in nearby DC towns places. 1.5 kilometers flow of water. The surge from surge.
A lot of places that got destroyed then, 350 kilometers an hour. Wow.
Salamat sa panonood, Dwantro Fam. Ito ang mga Dwantro Fam certified members. I'd like to shout out Aquarian Love, B-Boy TV, Christina Obordo, Ali the Explorer, Imelda Visara, Marie C, Roy Fernandez, and Eden Ocano. Salamat po talaga sa supportan nyo at kita-kits sa sunod na video natin. If you would like to be a certified Dwantro Fam member or a silver or a gold Dwantro Fam member, click the link in the description below. Alright guys, sa ulitin.